How to fix Excel not printing grid lines properly. Here are some things you can try to fix grid lines not printing properly in Excel. Check the page setup settings, open page setup, file page setup, and go to the sheet tab. Make sure grid lines is checked under print. Also check the print preview to see if lines appear there. Adjust the zoom level. Sometimes zooming in or out can cause grid lines to disappear in Excel. Try zooming to 100% and see if the grid lines appear. Add borders instead of grid lines. Select the cells, go to Format Cells Border and add borders. Print with these instead of grid lines. Adjust row and column sizes. Grid lines may not print if rows or columns are set to a small height/width. Try increasing the row height and column width. Check if grid lines are enabled. Make sure View Grid Lines is checked. Also check View Headings if your print includes headers. Print a test page first. Do a test print of a single page to see if grid lines are missing before printing the entire sheet. Export as PDF. Try exporting your sheet to a PDF file and see if grid lines print properly in the PDF version. Reset print settings. Go to File Print and click Reset before trying to print again. Update printer driver. Make sure you have the latest printer software/drivers installed. Outdated drivers can cause printing issues.